Y'all having a good night or a good morning or a good evening? What you doing? If y'all hear something in the background, don't mind it though. But hey, new update from my boy AI Grizzle, AI Grid, and yeah, as we know right now, a lot of these companies have these dumbass robots like Digit, and Digit worked pretty good, but they haven't updated yet. They haven't really put besides BMW. They haven't really put no real humanoids in the workforce besides BMW and maybe a little bit of a couple other companies. But new video, y'all already know we finna go live. If you got a short ass attention span, jump in, jump your ass right out. But I hope y'all having a high vibration. A high vibration. Staying mentally sound. And whatever career you do, you better hope it's not finna be impacted, blue collar or white collar, to anytime soon. Because a lot of people take this shit right here as we finna go over this video as a joke. Honestly, really thinking that AI is not finna to touch their career or job or whatever. But we finna go through this. Don't need nobody viewing at all. But check this shit out because it is moving very fast. Very fast. But fuck with your boy. Let's watch this news because it's very interesting. I only got through half of it and then stopped. Let's check it out.
At a rate quicker than expected. In this video, I will do a deep dive on the top humanoid robots that exist in 2025. Engine AI is a cutting-edge robotics company based in Shenzhen, China, that has quickly gained recognition in the global robotics industry since its founding in October 2023. The company specializes in developing humanoid robots with lifelike movement capabilities, setting a new benchmark for realism and functionality in robotics technology. Among its creations, Engine AI's SE01 humanoid robot stands out for its remarkably human-like gait and advanced motion control, achieved through the use of NVIDIA's Isaac Gym, a virtual environment that enables sophisticated AI training. This platform allows the robot to simulate and refine movements before implementing them in the physical world, resulting in fluid and natural locomotion that closely mimics human behavior. Engine AI's team, composed of 36 researchers from prestigious institutions such as UC Berkeley, has focused on addressing long-standing challenges in robotics, such as stiff or awkward movement patterns.
If you're one of those people that can't make cores to save their life, like me when I was first starting, I'm going to show you this.
Let me clear this punk ass ad.
That generates
patterns by combining deep reinforcement learning with imitation learning based on actual human motion. They have created robots capable of performing complex tasks with agility and precision. For example, the SE01 robot can squat, run, do push-ups, and even handle industrial tasks like heavy lifting or precise assembly on factory lines. Additionally, Engine AI's PM01 model has demonstrated impressive feats of agility, including performing front flips, a significant achievement given the difficulty of maintaining balance during such maneuvers.
Jeez.
The company offers a diverse product lineup tailored to various applications. The SE01 is designed for industrial use, while the SA01 serves educational purposes, and the PM01 focuses on agile performance. These robots are not only functional, but also open source platforms, allowing researchers and developers to customize their firmware and hardware for specific needs. This openness accelerates innovation in robotics by enabling collaborative improvements across academic and industrial communities. Engine AI's advancements are reshaping perceptions of humanoid robots by bridging the gap between mechanical functionality and human-like grace. Their robots are being tested in real-world scenarios, such as assisting law enforcement and interacting with the public. The company's rapid progress highlights China's growing influence in AI and robotics innovation, positioning Engine AI as a leader in this competitive field. By aiming to mass-produce thousands of humanoid robots by the end of 2025, Engine AI is pushing the boundaries of embodied intelligence and redefining what is possible for humanoid machines in...
Y'all taking it as a joke? Y'all taking this shit as a joke? Keep taking this shit as a joke. You better find something that you love to do. That little whatever career that you you're going to school for. Oh my gosh. If people so worried about their little job their little career, then you should be focusing on this then. Don't just be blindsided like a fucking idiot.
In industries ranging from manufacturing to education and public service. Next, let's take a look at the Figure robot. The Figure 02 is a cutting-edge humanoid robot developed by Figure AI, representing a significant advancement in the field of robotics and artificial intelligence. Standing at 5'6" tall, with a payload capacity of 20 kilograms, the Figure 02 is designed to closely
That
mimic
motherfucker
human
fresh,
function,
too.
making it ideal for performing a wide range of tasks in environments built for people. This second-generation humanoid robot boasts impressive features that set it apart from its predecessors and competitors. The Figure 02 is powered by an electric system that allows it to operate for up to 5 hours on a single charge, with a custom battery pack integrated into its torso, providing 50% more energy than its previous iteration. The robot's mobility is enhanced by its ability to move at speeds of up to 1.2 meters per second and navigate complex environments with ease. One of the most striking aspects of the Figure 02 is its advanced AI capabilities, which enable it to perceive and understand its surroundings,
doing good.
adapt to
I'm
changing
doing good.
conditions, and even engage in speech-to-speech conversations with humans. The robot's onboard vision language model, powered by 6 RGB cameras, allows for fast, common-sense visual
Hit that
reasoning,
like button,
while
though,
its
if you
partnership
fuck
with
with me.
OpenAI has led to the development of custom AI models that drive its conversational abilities. The Figure 02's dexterity is another standout feature, with its 4th-generation hands equipped with 16 degrees of freedom per hand, mimicking the strength and agility of human hands. This level of dexterity allows the robot to perform intricate tasks with precision, from manipulating delicate objects.
I think
to
that's
operating tools
BMW
and
right
machinery.
there.
Recent demonstrations of the Figure 02's capabilities have showcased its potential in both industrial and domestic settings. In a notable demonstration, 2 Figure 02 robots were shown working collaboratively to put away groceries in a kitchen environment. The robots demonstrated an impressive ability to reason about where items should be placed, even when encountering objects they had never seen before. This task required complex decision-making, spatial awareness, and fine motor control, all of which the Figure 02 executed with apparent ease. The robots were able to open and close drawers and refrigerator doors, place items in appropriate locations, and even hand off items to each other when necessary. Another demonstration highlighted the Figure 02's potential in industrial applications, showing multiple robots working together to sort packages on an assembly line. This demo emphasized the robot's ability to handle unfamiliar objects, orient them correctly, and even correct their own mistakes, all crucial skills for real-world manufacturing and logistics operations. What makes these demonstrations particularly impressive is the use of Figure's Helix AI, a vision language action model that allows the robots to operate autonomously based on simple verbal commands. The fact that multiple robots can work together seamlessly, sharing a single set of neural network weights, points to the scalability and flexibility of the system. Figure AI has also made significant strides in bringing the Figure 02 closer to real-world applications. The company has already conducted tests with BMW Group using the robot on a production line for handling fitted sheet metal parts. This real-world trial, along with the announcement that Figure AI has delivered Figure 02 robots to a paying customer, marks an important milestone in the commercialization of humanoid robots. The rapid development of the Figure 02, from the company's founding in 2022 to its current capabilities, demonstrates the potential for humanoid robots to address labor shortages and improve efficiency across various industries. As Figure AI continues to refine and expand the capabilities of the Figure 02, it is poised to play a significant role in shaping the future of work and human-robot interaction. Next, let's take a look at the Boston Dynamics Atlas robot. The Boston Dynamics Atlas is a cutting-edge humanoid robot that has become an icon in the robotics industry since its initial unveiling in 2013. Standing at 1.5 meters tall and weighing 89 kilograms, Atlas is designed with an emphasis on advanced mobility, dexterity, and a high strength-to-weight ratio. The robot incorporates titanium and aluminum materials with extensive use of 3D printing technology to optimize its frame for both robustness and relatively low weight. What makes Atlas truly remarkable is its impressive agility and physical capabilities, which have continually evolved over the years. The robot has transitioned from a partially hydraulic machine to a fully electrified robot, marking a significant advancement in its efficiency and flexibility. Atlas is equipped with 28 joints and advanced control algorithms that enable it to execute tasks with high precision while adapting to its environment. Its design allows for 360-degree swiveling capability at the hips, waist, arms, and neck, giving it unique movement options that human bodies cannot replicate. In January 2025, Boston Dynamics announced a major milestone for Atlas: complete autonomy. The robot can now function entirely on its own, without pre-programmed sequences or...
Did you hear that? Completely. autonomous, I can't even pronounce the word, autonomously. No human needed, motherfucker. It don't need you no more. By itself, completely by itself. The last thing they want to do is pay you a check, okay? Don't get it fucked up.
Or remote control, making decisions and generating actions in real time. This autonomous functionality represents a significant leap in humanoid robotics, allowing Atlas to handle tasks requiring not only dexterity, but also decision-making based on its immediate surroundings. Boston Dynamics has recently showcased Atlas's capabilities through several impressive demonstrations. In March 2025, they released footage showing Atlas performing a variety of complex movements that appear remarkably human-like. The demonstration began with Atlas walking and running with natural motion, leaning forward as it starts running and pulling its torso back when slowing down, showing a real sense of balance. The robot then progressed to more complex movements, including cartwheels, handstands, and even breakdancing. These fluid movements were developed using
What the
reinforcement learning
fuck?
techniques combined with motion capture data from human performers, rather than following rigid.
I don't see how anyone can continue to so-called love what they do or make a paycheck and ignore this. That makes absolutely no sense.
Programming, Atlas now learns through trial and error, adapting to its environment and improving its responses continuously. This approach allows the robot to recover from stumbles, make sharp pivots, and maintain balance through quick adjustments. Boston Dynamics has also been collaborating with NVIDIA to enhance Atlas's capabilities further. Atlas now runs on NVIDIA's Jetson Thor computing platform, which allows it to process complex multimodal AI models in real time. This partnership aims to advance AI capabilities in humanoid robots, with Atlas being an early adopter of NVIDIA's Isaac GR00T platform. The collaboration focuses on defining parameters for functional safety and security architecture, as well as key learning and computer vision pipelines. Beyond impressive demonstrations of agility and power, Atlas has practical applications in various fields. Boston Dynamics is working with its parent company Hyundai to train Atlas for factory work, specifically part sequencing in automotive manufacturing. This task involves sorting thousands of different parts with varying shapes, weights, and sizes, a complex challenge requiring recognition of mistakes, correction, and learning of edge cases without constant human intervention. The robot's potential extends to disaster recovery, search and rescue operations, and handling logistics in environments too dangerous for humans. With its continuous advancements in both hardware and software, Atlas represents the cutting edge of what's possible in humanoid robotics, bringing us closer to a future where robots can assist in complex and unpredictable environments. Now let's take a look at the recent advancement in humanoid robot NeoGamma. NeoGamma is an advanced humanoid robot developed by Norwegian company 1X Technologies, designed specifically as a home assistant capable of performing household chores and interacting naturally with humans. What makes NeoGamma particularly remarkable is its unique design approach that prioritizes human comfort and home integration. Unlike conventional humanoid robots with rigid mechanical appearances, NeoGamma features a soft knitted nylon bodysuit created using a Japanese Shimaseki machine, giving it a more approachable, clothed look that helps it blend seamlessly into home environments. This soft exterior not only makes the robot more aesthetically pleasing, but also serves a practical purpose by preventing it from damaging fragile objects and reducing potential injuries from robot to human contact. The robot features distinctive emotive earrings that light up when it listens to owners and provide visual feedback about its status, enhancing the intuitive interaction experience. NeoGamma's movement capabilities are particularly impressive, as it can walk with a natural human gait, including coordinated arm swings, squat to pick up objects from the floor, sit in chairs, and handle various household items with precision. These movements are powered by a multi-purpose whole-body controller running at 100 Hz that uses reinforcement learning based on human motion capture data. The robot is equipped with advanced AI systems, including an in-house developed language model that enables natural conversations without requiring button presses, making interactions feel more human-like. For audio capabilities, NeoGamma features 4 strategically placed microphones with beamforming and echo cancellation for clear audio capture, along with a 3-speaker system, 1 in the chest for AI voice interactions, and 2 in the pelvis area for bass and 360-degree sound effects. In recent demos, 1X has showcased NeoGamma performing various household tasks. During a presentation at NVIDIA GTC 2025, the robot demonstrated abilities such as vacuuming, watering plants, and navigating around a living room setting without bumping into people or furniture, though the demo wasn't flawless as the robot experienced some issues attributed to spotty Wi-Fi and low battery. Other demonstration videos have shown Enio Gamma carrying a kettle of hot water, straightening pictures, carrying laundry, cleaning windows, picking up grocery bags, delivering wine, and tidying up spaces. While these capabilities are impressive, it's worth noting that Neo Gamma is not yet fully autonomous in its current state. For the upcoming home test planned for later in 2025, 1X will be bootstrapping the process by relying on teleoperators, humans in remote locations, who can view the robot's cameras and sensors in real time and take control of its limbs when needed. The company has announced plans to begin testing Enio Gamma in a few hundred to a few thousand homes by the end of 2025, with CEO Bernd Bernick explaining that these tests will help the company develop the system by allowing it to live and learn among people. This approach will enable 1X to collect valuable data on how the robot operates in real home environments, creating a dataset that can be used to train AI models and upgrade Enio Gamma's capabilities over time. Now let's take a look at another company coming out of London. The HMND-01 is a next-generation humanoid robot developed by Humanoid, a London-based AI and robotics startup founded in 2024 by serial entrepreneur Artem Sokolov. Standing 175 centimeters tall and weighing 70 kilograms, this general-purpose humanoid robot represents a significant advancement in robotics technology designed to address labor shortages and enhance automation across various industries. The HMND-01 boasts impressive specifications, including a walking speed of 3.3 miles per hour, an average runtime of 4 hours, and a payload capacity of 15 kilograms. What makes this robot particularly exceptional is its modular design concept, allowing customers to incorporate different upper body, lower body, and end effector configurations to ensure adaptability, better meet specific requirements, and reduce costs. This modularity extends to both hardware and software, with the robot featuring interchangeable protective garments that safeguard its internal systems and the surrounding environment. The HMND-01's perception system combines multiple sensor technologies, including RGBD cameras for high-resolution object recognition, LiDAR sensors with a 40-meter range for navigation, and tactile sensors with over 1,000 pressure points in the hands for precise manipulation. These sensors merge data at 60 Hz to create a realistic environmental map, enabling the robot to track up to 300 inventory items simultaneously while safely navigating around human workers. The robot's AI integration is equally impressive, with an object detection system trained on extensive synthetic datasets achieving 98.7% recognition accuracy in pick-and-place tasks, exceeding the average human worker accuracy of 95.4%. The HMND-01's hierarchical task planner can break down complex instructions into executable steps and adapt to changing conditions, successfully navigating around 83% of unexpected obstacles in retail simulations. The robot is designed for industrial applications such as goods handling, picking and packing, kitting, and part handling, with potential to enhance automation levels in retail and manufacturing facilities, logistics and fulfillment centers, and warehouses. Humanoid's vision is to create a future where humans and machines work side by side harmoniously, addressing workforce.
Kill that side-by-side bullshit. The last thing they want to do is give you a paycheck. Fuck your 401k. You ain't taking no breaks, nigga. You ain't taking no days off. This motherfucker right here works 24/7.
Force shortages and aging population issues while freeing people to focus on more creative and meaningful work. The company plans to develop and test alpha prototypes for both wheeled and bipedal platforms in 2025, with ongoing discussions with leading retail companies for potential pilot projects. With the global humanoid robotics market predicted to grow at a compound annual rate of 95% from 2022 to 2030, reaching $6.5 billion by decade's end, the HMND-01 represents a significant step toward a future where humanoid robots become an integral part of the global economy. Now let's take a look at a robot coming out of China. The Unitree G1 is a groundbreaking humanoid robot that has significantly advanced the field of robotics with its exceptional mobility, dexterity, and affordability. Standing at 1.32 meters tall and weighing approximately 35 kilograms, the G1 was introduced as a mass production version in August 2024 by Chinese company Unitree Robotics. What makes the G1 particularly remarkable is its price point of just $16,000, making it one of the most accessible humanoid robots on the market. And
just 16 G's to a company that's not shit. 16,000, you know, they're going to drop lower than that. Oh my, bruh.
positioning it to compete with industry giants like Boston Dynamics and Tesla. The G1's design incorporates 23 degrees of freedom in its joints, with some models featuring up to 43 degrees of freedom, enabling it to perform complex movements with impressive precision. This exceptional joint flexibility allows the robot to execute intricate maneuvers such as jumping, spinning, climbing stairs, and even performing martial arts techniques. The robot is equipped with advanced sensors, including an Intel RealSense D435 depth camera and a Livox MID 360 LiDAR puck, providing it with 360-degree environmental awareness for precise navigation and obstacle avoidance. For power, the G1 uses a 9,000 milliamp hour lithium-ion battery that provides approximately 2 hours of operation per charge.
You better find whatever career you do, CDLs, fucking engineering, whatever. Hey, if you ain't trying to pivot from whatever you're doing in your life right now, I don't give a fuck if you make money off of it or not. If you ain't trying to pivot off of these companies, they're going to fire your ass. Trust me. And do you know how many people I come across talking about they think this is fake, let alone the brains, the large LLMs, stands for large language models, the Alexas, the Siris. What do you think is powering this shit? The same way you talk to this, right? The same way you talk to this, Alexa, yada, 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 Siri, yada, yada, yada. They're taking that brain out of that and putting into what? Into here. So, Alexa, ChatGPT, Google Bard, all that shit is going to be communicating with you through something like this. 5.5, much stronger than you, much smarter than you. And you think your little career job is going... But you think your job is everything. You think your career is everything, right? If so, this goes for anybody out there. If so, why the hell are you ignoring this? It makes absolutely no sense. And you got people that I have really spoken to talking about this is 2 years out, 3 years out, 4 years out. How stupid can you be? Hey, I don't mean to laugh at no one, but when these companies really start to do major layoffs, I'm going to be rolling my ass off. Rolling. Like they gave y'all a chance. Thank you a lot. Love you. Gave y'all a chance a lot. And y'all just ignored it. Ignored it. How stupid. I don't mean to laugh at people. I do not mean to laugh at people, but y'all been warned and the shit been happening. It's not even by months no more. It's by the day. So you better, if you are in the workforce, blue collar or white collar, you better start looking to whatever currency that you are making to pivot, to use that currency to fund what you really want to do in your fucking existence. Y'all see what I do. This is what I do.
And features a quick release mechanism
What
for
up,
easy
Dennis? What up,
battery
bro?
swaps during extended use. In terms of recent advancements,
Hope you're doing good, my boy Dennis. Hope you're doing good, cuz.
Continuously improving the G1's algorithm, allowing it to achieve increasingly impressive feats. In early 2025, the G1 demonstrated enhanced walking and running capabilities, with the company claiming it now has the smoothest walking and running of any humanoid robot in the world. By February 2025, Unitree introduced a new algorithm update that enables the G1 to
Look at
learn
that
and perform
shit.
dance routines with human-like precision and fluidity using an open-source full-body motion dataset.
Y'all know I cut and stop and I talk. Hey, you got these stupid ass people, these influencers, right? Not to throw no names out there, but you see people tampering with these, pushing them, kicking them for their entertainment on their streams, right? Like these big ass streamers. Y'all know who I'm talking about. Like these big streamers kicking them, pushing them, and not fucking using their brain that God gave them, thinking that this is not going to remember that. What? You think this is not going to learn you? You think this is not going to remember how you treated it? Are you? Ooh, oh my It's like the window. It's like the human civilization have a window that's closing, and it's closing fast, real fast. You got people talking about, oh, still trying to go get your CDLs. Go do this. About time you even graduate out of your whatever college you studying. They're already going to have one of these replacing your ass. Already.
Captured with advanced motion control technology. The robot begins training in NVIDIA's Isaac simulator, where it observes human
Oh my God, bro.
AutoCode is the best platform out there for dealing with large code base. Period.
movements through motion, video data, and reinforcement learning before transferring these skills to the physical robot through a process called Sim to Real. March 2025 brought even more impressive demonstrations with videos showing the G1 performing Kung Fu techniques, including spinning kicks, and most recently executing a standing side flip and a kip-up maneuver.
Get out of line. Get out of line. This is going to whoop your ass.
Showcasing its exceptional balance, coordination, and precision. These achievements highlight the rapid advancement in the robot's capabilities, with new updates being released monthly. The G1's practical applications span numerous industries, from manufacturing and automation to research and entertainment. In industrial settings, it can handle repetitive tasks with speed and accuracy, navigate tight spaces for transporting goods, and perform quality control with its advanced vision system. For AI research and development, the G1 serves as a powerful tool for machine learning training, allowing engineers to program it to analyze data, adapt to new tasks, and refine its decision-making skills. The robot's exceptional mobility and resilience also make it valuable for disaster response and emergency situations, where it can navigate rubble, assess damage, and assist in search and rescue operations. With its combination of affordability, advanced capabilities, and continuous improvements, the Unitree G1 represents a significant step forward in making sophisticated humanoid robots accessible for various applications, potentially democratizing access to advanced robotics across industries and accelerating innovation in the field. Now let's take a look at a humanoid robot that is taking an entirely different approach. Clone Robotics has developed the Protoclone Weeb1, a groundbreaking humanoid robot that represents a significant advancement in biomimetic robotics. Unveiled in February 2025, this faceless, anatomically accurate synthetic human stands at 6 feet tall and features over 200 degrees of freedom, more than 1,000 myofibers, artificial muscles, and over 500 sensors. What makes the Protoclone truly revolutionary is its biomimetic design that closely replicates human anatomy. Unlike traditional robots that use motors and gears, the Protoclone features a polymer skeleton with 206 synthetic bones connected by artificial ligaments and tendons, mimicking the complete human skeletal structure. The robot's movement is powered by Clone's proprietary myofiber technology, developed in 2021, which consists of water-powered artificial muscles made of mesh tubes containing balloons that contract when filled with hydraulic fluid. These muscles can contract 30% faster than human muscles and have a response time under 50 milliseconds, providing human-like strength even in the fingers. The muscular system is powered by a 500-watt electric pump that serves as the robot's heart, circulating fluid at 40 liters per minute and also functioning as a cooling system similar to human sweating. The Protoclone's nervous system is equally impressive, equipped with 4 depth cameras in its skull that serve as eyes, 70 inertial sensors to trace joint positions, and 320 pressure sensors to assess the strength needed for various tasks. All of these are integrated with NVIDIA's Jetson Thor GPU for real-time processing one. Recent demonstrations show the Protoclone
Look at that
suspended from the
shit.
ceiling, displaying eerily lifelike movements that blur the line between machine and human, while still in development and requiring external support for stability due to challenges with real.
And don't get it fucked up. You got to understand, about time they even get people to even show people in the public, guess how far they actually really are. Trust me, these companies, Apple, Amazon, Target, Walmart, blue collar, white collar, you really got people thinking that their career can't be touched. Are you serious? I don't see how you can have a brain, something this technically advanced in your fucking skull, and not see the window closing, and you use their products. I don't understand. I don't. I've been on this place, round, square, triangle, whatever the fuck, just as long as anybody else have. But I can use my damn brain to understand and see, oh, yeah, you can work a job as long as you want, but don't make that job your all or be all. That company don't give a fuck about you. You need to take breaks. You get tired. You need a 401k. That don't need a paycheck. They don't want to give you no fucking paycheck, dummy.
Real-time balance adjustments, the robot has already showcased impressive capabilities. Clone Robotics envisions the protoclone performing a variety of tasks, including household chores, like doing laundry, washing dishes, cooking basic meals, and even engaging in witty dialogue. The company plans to release 279 units of the limited edition Clone Alpha in 2025, with a price tag of approximately $20,000.
Do you hear what's being said? Not 26, not 27, this year. This year. I don't know what people talking about. Oh, this is 2 years out. Oh, this is 3 years out. Are you stupid?
Founded in 2021 by Danush Radhakrishna and Polish engineer Lukasz Kozlik, Clone Robotics has attracted...
And this shit is entering the medical field. This field. That field. Not too long ago. My mom friend needed to get a hip replacement. When she was in the hospital, they gave her the option, if she wanted to get it done by a robot or by a human. She took the robot side, and that shit was 100 over 100. She moved better than I fucking do. They gave her the option, though, because, a human can do this. Sneeze. Fuck up a little bit. Guess what? That Chat GPT or whatever the fuck, don't do none of that. It don't fuck up. It's impossible for it to fuck up. It's 100 over 100.
Attracted significant investment, including $640,000 from angel investors and venture capitalists, such as the co-founder of Y Combinator and former CTO of Coinbase. The company's ultimate goal is to create synthetic humans capable of long-term independent operation in complex settings, potentially revolutionizing industries ranging from household assistants to...
Hey, Dennis, I will. I'll look that up, my boy.
...healthcare, manufacturing, and customer service, while the protoclone has sparked both fascination and unease due to its unsettlingly lifelike movements.
Now check this out. They got everybody. Guess what? Before I even continue, guess what, though? Guess what? They got your brain on LeBron James. They got your brain on Puff Daddy. They got your brain on Cat Williams. They got your brain on drones, floods, Hollywood fires, this shit, that shit. They got your brain on fucking KFC, AI generated commercials that's on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram. They got your brain scattered the fuck out. They got y'all confused as fuck. Keep them confused. Give them bread and circus. And guess what? Give them the Super Bowl. Continue to give them the NBA, All-Star games, completely stupid, irrelevant shit. Keep them distracted. Wow, we bring in this. Keep them worrying about some irrelevant ass Donald Trump. Keep them voting when their mascot don't get voted in. They get selected. They don't get elected. But this is not made for the weak, lost-minded ass people. They want to keep you. Give them bread and circus, and guess what? The people will never rebel. They will continue to stay in their TikToks. They will continue to watch their Netflix. They will continue to watch their Amazon Primes, staying lost and fucking stupid.
And faceless design, it represents a major shift in robotics that could redefine the industry's approach to biomimetic engineering. Now let's take a look at Elon Musk's humanoid robot. The Tesla bot, also known as Optimus,
This
is a
motherfucker
humanoid
right here,
robot
dirty.
designed by Tesla to perform tasks that are repetitive, dangerous, or undesirable for humans. Standing at approximately 170 centimeters tall and weighing around 60 to 73 kilograms, it's built to closely resemble human proportions and capabilities. The robot was first announced at Tesla's AI Day event in August 2021, with Elon Musk describing it as a general-purpose robotic assistant that could eventually become more significant than Tesla's vehicle business. What makes the Tesla bot particularly impressive is its
Did you just hear what he said? And guess what? When you go to your job, when you go to drop your baby off, and when you go to school, from your home to your other destination, how many Teslas do you see on the street? How many Teslas do you see on the street? Huh? Can you count? Do you pay attention? Pay attention to where you leave your home and you go to your job. Count how many Teslas you see in a day. Count. I want you to count. I want you to do that. Count how many Teslas you see on the street. And those ain't cars. Those are robots on wheels. Those are not cars. Know that. Count how many Teslas you see on the street. Fucking a grip. A lot of them. And you said it's going to... I'm talking to the wall. I'm talking to the fucking wall. One ear and out the fucking other, right?
integration of Tesla's existing automotive technology. It uses the same AI systems, batteries, power electronics, advanced motors, and full self-driving computer that power Tesla vehicles, essentially functioning as a robot with arms and legs instead of a robot with wheels. The robot features 40 electromechanical actuators.
What did I just say? Instead of a robot with wheels. Thank you.
Distributed throughout its body, allowing for complex movements and tasks. It has a carrying capacity of 20 kilograms, can lift up to 68 kilograms, and can move at speeds up to 8 kilometers per hour. The Tesla bot is equipped with advanced sensory capabilities, including vision sensors, audio sensors, movement sensors, and touch force sensors that enable it to perceive and interact with its environment. Recent advancements in the Tesla bot have been substantial. Tesla unveiled Optimus Gen 2 in December 2023, which showed significant improvements over the first prototype from 2022. In March 2025, Elon Musk announced plans for Optimus Gen 3, which is expected to feature upgraded hands with double the degrees of freedom, improved water resistance, faster mobility, and a more natural gait seat. Recent demonstrations have showcased the robot's ability to adapt to new environments, perform precision tasks like sorting blocks, maintain balance, even standing on one leg, and navigate uneven terrain autonomously. In December 2024, Tesla...
Did you hear what he said? Autonomously. By itself. By itself. It don't need your help at all.
Shared a video showing Optimus traversing uneven terrain and catching itself when slipping, all without using vision, instead relying solely on its neural network and sensors. Tesla is rapidly scaling up production of these robots. During an all-hands meeting in March 2025, Musk told employees that Tesla plans to build 5,000 Optimus units in 2025, with components available for 10,000 to 12,000 units, and aims to scale to 50,000 robots by 2026. Musk has repeatedly stated that the price point for Optimus will be around $20,000 or possibly lower, making it accessible for widespread adoption 3. The robot is expected to be capable of performing thousands of different tasks, from household chores like washing dishes, cooking, and cleaning to more complex industrial applications. Musk envisions Optimus as potentially the biggest product ever of any kind that could lead to an age of abundance where physical work becomes a choice rather than a necessity. The Tesla bot represents a
Well, physical work becomes a choice rather than a necessity. What? Yes. So that means... What that means? What do that mean? Y'all looking for more stimulus checks, right? They gave y'all stimulus checks before, right? Forget that. Forget that shit. Forget that. That was nothing but a test run. Threaten y'all with that shit. That was nothing. When they gave out those checks though, that was the first practice of universal basic income, giving you an allowance. Because what? This is going to take over.
Convergence of AI, robotics, and energy innovations that could revolutionize how we approach labor-intensive tasks across manufacturing, logistics, healthcare, and home environments.
That was the end of the video.
My daughter is being treated for leukemia. It hit me hard.
I think that was the end.
Being a girl dad.
Yeah, that was the end. Much love to my boy AI Griff. I don't know what you do for work. I don't know, but I'm pretty sure, most likely, I'm pretty sure it's a white collar job or a blue collar job. Right now, I haven't broke monetized yet. No, not on here. But other things that I do on social media, I get paid for once a month. And I bust my ass every day to do that. Trust me. Attention is currency. That's real attention now. Why do you think people don't watch the news no more? People watch podcasts now. YouTube is where the money at. Trust me. And trust me, you better find something that you love, not have to do, that you love to do, and that you can make some currency off of it some sort of way. Because when they integrate these, you got people out there like right now in Amazon warehouses, they got the stupid fucks called Digit right now that they haven't upgraded. They haven't upgraded the software in those yet. When they upgrade the software in that yet, you think they need to, do you think they still need the employees there? No. They're going to be like, get the fuck out of here. We don't want to give you no more paycheck. You ain't getting no 401k. No, get your ass out of here. Let alone. We're about to switch. We in a war right now. We're in a war right now. People think war bombs just automatically just gonna go boom boom. Look at the stock market. Look at it. You think that shit is happening for no reason? Huh? Let me tell you something. Tariffs. They doing all these tariffs, right? Trump got all these tariffs, right? That's just the easy way to tell the public, the citizens, that we're at war. That's the soft way to tell the people. You don't just throw tariffs out. And I didn't even know anything about tariffs personally until I asked someone and I educated myself on it. I don't see how you can see something like this going down on whatever Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, whatever fuck X, Kick, whatever fucking social media you put your attention to. I don't see how you can see shit like this and ignore it and see the writing on the fucking wall and think that, oh, I'm just going to wait until I go in one day and they be like, oh, you're fired because they have upgraded their system and put these motherfuckers in. They're not just going to boot you. No, you're going to work with these first. And then they're slowly going to move you out. Do you not understand, little Tim, Johnny? Ooh. Hey, you better find something that you can pivot in. Like me, I do YouTube. And I fuck with Instagram and I fuck with social media. I get paid from two of those now. Once I get monetized on here and I get to where I want to get to, I bust my ass every day. Every day. Because guess what? A robot can't do this. A robot can only mimic me. It can't be me though. It can't do this. What I'm doing right now. No. That can't be replicated. Okay, Johnny? So, that's why people act like what I do, I'm doing it right fucking now. Right now as I speak. So, whatever it is, however long it takes, you better find something that you love to do in life. Because most definitely, that company you work for don't give a fuck about you at all. Not trying to scare nobody, not trying to fearmonger. It's just the writing on the wall. So, do whatever you got to do. Get on your knees. Pray to whatever God you want to pray to. Because God is in you. God is within you. They really got people praying outside of something. No, God is within you. You go from within. Because you can sit in one spot and pray all the fuck you want. You ain't finna get no money. You ain't finna get that car you want. You ain't finna get that new phone you want, no matter how much praying you do. So you gotta actually go do it yourself. So, wake the fuck up, Johnny. and find something that you love to do. Even if you're not making money on it, but you better find something that you can put. Can you get it out, Rico? Can you get it out, Johnny? That you can potentially make money off of. I can't fucking wait till I get monetized, nigga. I don't care if I make 1 cent a video. I bust my ass to continue to progress, okay? Because I love what I do. I love exactly what I do every single day. I get to talk about whatever I want. I don't have a boss. I don't have to act a certain way. I don't have to raise my hand. I don't have to take breaks. I do what the fuck I wanna do when I wanna do it. And it's amazing. I'm not looking up to another human that shit, eat, sleep, just like I do, and call them boss. Get the fuck out of here. I didn't beat out 1,000,000,000,000 other sperms to get born here, to look up to another fucking being, quote unquote human, and have them control me. Fuck no. What? No, that don't even make sense to me. I'm highly fucking aware of my awareness. I'm not blind by this material possession. By this material world. I want a new car. I want to so-called own a house that you really don't fucking own. I want buy new clothes. I want new shoes. All this material shit that means absolutely nothing. And I love my material shit. The same way like I love that fucking $5,000 DBXL back there. Those 2 cars outside. I love material shit just like you do. But trust me, I will leave all that shit in a blink of an eye. Just like that. I am very aware of my existence and the body that God put me in. Very high conscious. Very high conscious, motherfucker. Very high. This your boy, S.I. Rico. Push the fucking light. Stay high vibrational. And don't let nothing interrupt your aura. I love y'all. Yes, I do. Thank you for fucking with me. And I earned that 1 like, even if it got taken from me. I catch y'all in the next pre-recorded video or the next live. I'm out. Peace.